Using IRMO Video AI tool is really easy to do. First thing you want to do is if you don't have it, it actually doesn't cost any money and you can get it on the Google Play or App Store. But once you actually have the app, you simply want to open up the app like I've just done so here and click on the Get Started option in the bottom of the screen. Once you've done that, you actually want to select your reason. It's basically a welcome to get to know you about why you want to use this app. In this case, if I want to create people kissing, I'm going to click on this and you can actually upload videos that you have on your phone or from the internet, or even just select the sample photos. You can see these sample photos right here if you actually just want to see how it works before adding your own photos. And once you do that, you simply click on continue, and as you can see, it will create your video in just seconds. And once you click on see results, it'll actually show you the video on screen right here, and it basically just does two people kissing, hugging, or whatever feature you've selected, just like that. But if you don't want to buy the plan, the yearly or weekly, you click on X in the top right hand corner, and as you can see, it'll bring you to the interface of this app right here, where we can actually see a bunch of these visuals and make it whatever we want to make it. You can see it can turn things into cartoons, Lego figures, 80s, different time eras, etc. So basically what this does is it's just an app that transforms. It doesn't create images directly from scratch, but it transforms images into whatever preset AI filter that you want. It also has a bunch of these custom presets in the AI studio over here that you can actually select if you like any of these, and you can basically click on it, click on the image that you want, and it will create a similar video if you want to see to any of these images that you may upload or that are already on here. And as you can see, that's basically how you use it. And when we actually try to use it, it's basically going to allow you to actually upload photos. As you can see, we can click on change image, or you can actually watch and create, and you can basically watch an ad if you don't want to get the upgraded version. And once you actually watch an ad, you can basically create your image into, once you actually watch an ad, you can actually do this as many times as you want, but you can create an image through one of these presets. You can see right here is my result. I turned this image of me on the track, you can see right here, and it turned me into a Lego. So you can basically do this, and you can save your images if you want to access it to your photos and share the image, and that's basically all you do to create it. But you can basically watch an ad, you can see the before and after right here, and do this as many times as you want and view your artwork.